I hope we get to the airport on time, Janice. That was a great meeting you put on. It was obvious from your presentations that we have some work ahead of us to make us more competitive in our market. By the way, have you heard about those Concordant Healthcare Solutions leadership workshops? They seem to align well with the competitive strategy you presented at our meeting.
Thanks for the compliment, Alex. You did a good job at the meeting as well. To answer your question, yes, I've seen their postings on professional development and social media sites, but I haven't really looked into them. What's so special about them?
Well, I did a bit of research, and they seem to be quite unique. For example, their leadership workshops are designed by a team of experts who have some really impressive backgrounds. And they have a mission to be a leader in maximizing stakeholder value in an increasingly competitive healthcare profession. This means they want providers and consumers, like our organization and our employees, to realize measurable benefits from human-centered leadership and patient-centered care that is delivered equally among diverse communities.
Oh, really? That's quite interesting. Please, tell me more.
So far, I've learned that the workshops are designed by racially and culturally diverse course designers with extensive experience in healthcare, business, and human resources. And they're certified professionals in healthcare quality and culturally competent patient-centered care, which can help us improve health equity for our diverse employees, improve our healthcare costs, and enhance the strategy you discussed at the meeting about improving our competitive position.
That's impressive. It's important to have that diverse perspective, especially in the healthcare field. And to have that knowledge balance of healthcare delivery systems, business, and patients is an added value for organizations like ours.
Absolutely. And it doesn't stop there. Their course designers have extensive teaching experience in higher education and also hold doctorates in leadership and organizational behavior. So, they're not just experts in their fields but also deeply knowledgeable about how organizational leadership competencies can work to improve performance outcomes for racially and culturally diverse teams, customers, and communities.
That's some serious expertise. But given the makeup of our diverse teams, how do they cater to different adult learning styles?
Great question. The workshops are multimodal, which means they're designed to address the various learning styles of both healthcare providers and business leaders.
So, they're accommodating everyone's learning preferences?
Exactly. Whether you prefer hands-on activities, discussion forums, personal reflections, or games, they've got it covered. And each learning unit contains text, alt text, audio, and visual content and can be designed in up to 70 different languages for use worldwide.
That's smart. And what about the format of these workshops?
Well, here's the flexibility. Each workshop is offered in 4 different formats: in person, instructor-led virtual, blended, and virtual. So, you can choose what suits you best. And the good news is that Concordant has designed its workshops so they can be taken off the shelf, modified as needed, or created for an organization's unique needs. This means their learning management system is compatible with most learning management systems on the market, so their courses can be developed and transferred to us seamlessly.
That's really convenient. With all the different work schedules and preferences, having those options is a big plus, and it allows us to use their leadership expertise with our current training and development teams to enhance our learning and growth strategy.
Definitely. And here's something interesting. Concordant Healthcare Solutions is actually a certified African American minority and veteran-owned business.
Wow, that's one more reason to consider them as a partner. It's great to hear about such a talented and diverse organization.
Absolutely. They're not just providing valuable training but also making a positive impact on the community.
I'm definitely going to look into these workshops for our leadership team when we get back. I love the idea that we can use the Concordant Healthcare team to improve our overall human-centered leadership competencies, employee healthcare outcomes, and costs at the same time, which is quite appealing. Thanks for sharing all this information, my friend.
My pleasure, Janice. I thought you'd find it as intriguing as I did. Let's both consider signing up. It could be a fantastic opportunity for our professional development.
Agreed. Let's do it. And it's wonderful to know we'd be supporting a minority and veteran-owned business and the communities they serve.
I totally agree. Cheers to that.